Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the opening of the Garmin inReach Mini 2. So first, after opening the box, as you guys can see, what we have is the warning, and here we have the QR code for the app that is compatible with the device. Now here, after opening the box just like that, here we have the device. So let me take it, and here the rest. Here we have the safety, the warnings, and what we should and what we shouldn't do with the device. Now here we have the manuals, and that's very needed because the setup is hard. Here we have the charging cable, and it also comes with the carabiner, so you can pin it to your pants so you don't have to hold it in your hands 24/7 or hide it in a pocket. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.